Kerry Katona faces backlash for unbuckled seatbelt incident with daughter Heidi in Lamborghini. Kerry Katona, the former Atomic Kitten singer, recently stirred controversy among her fans when she shared a video featuring her and her 17-year-old daughter, Heidi, in her £200,000 Lamborghini. The video captured the mother-daughter duo on their way to a hair salon, with Heidi filming her mom driving the luxurious car. In the video, Kerry mentioned that Heidi was undergoing a significant transformation, changing her hair color from blonde to a proper dark shade. However, some eagle-eyed fans couldn't help but notice a concerning detail: neither Kerry nor Heidi appeared to be wearing seatbelts while the car was in motion. This observation led to criticism from some fans who expressed their dismay over the apparent lack of seatbelt usage. One commenter asked why there were no seatbelts on, while another found it shocking if Heidi wasn't wearing one. Nevertheless, there were those who defended Kerry, asserting that both she and Heidi had their seatbelts on and praising Kerry as an exceptional mother. The scrutiny over seatbelts came shortly after fans were astonished to learn Heidi's real age, with one follower reminiscing about when Heidi was born and another complimenting Kerry for her youthful appearance. Kerry Katona also shares children with her ex-husbands Mark Croft and Brian McFadden, and her youngest child, Dylan Jorge, is from her late ex-husband George K. Kerry Katona's viral video in the Lamborghini serves as a reminder of the public's watchful eye on celebrities and their actions, even when sharing seemingly innocuous moments on social media.